Hi everyone! Welcome to another Quickie yoga workout. So today we are going to work on our bum to have a graceful glute. So not only will we work the butt muscles, but I will also add some hip mobility work. So enjoy! So we'll start on our backs. So you'll lie down. You'll remove my clip first. Okay. And then you'll bend the knees and then bring your heels underneath the knees, making sure your feet are hip width apart, toes pointing forward. And then we'll do dynamic bridges. So as you lift up, you'll start to feel the butt engage, the glute muscles engage, but also balance that as if you're squeezing a ball between your inner thighs as you press up. And then as you exhale, you'll start to lower down. Inhale, lifting up again. The butt muscles will squeeze, but also work the inner thighs. Exhale, release. 3 more. Inhale, pressing up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, press up. Maybe also use your shoulders so that the chest can lift a bit higher. Exhale, lower. 1 more. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. Okay, from here, we'll start to add a bit more. Okay, you'll go ahead and then we'll start to lift one leg at a time in our bridge work. So as you inhale, you lift the hips up, lifting the left knee up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, left knee lifts up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, pressing the hips up as knee comes in. Exhale, lower. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, release. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, release. So with the lift of the one leg, you really feel the butt muscle engage. So in this case, we'll ground your left foot. Okay? As you inhale, hips lift up, right knee in. Slowly lower down. Maybe just let it hover. Inhale. Exhale, release. So you'll feel the left butt muscle engage, maybe quite a lot. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. 2 more. Inhale. Slowly lift up and then lower down. Okay, and then from here, we'll go ahead and then press up to a reverse tabletop. Okay, so you'll just come up. Okay, nothing fancy as you come up. And then from here, you'll go ahead and bend the knees. Okay, and then bring the hands behind you and then just place your fingers where it's most comfortable for the wrist. So what we want to work here, remember the ball between the thighs, and then as you inhale, you'll start to press up. Okay, you'll also feel this at the shoulders. So you'll also get a shoulder release. So keep pressing the belly up. Again, butt muscles will engage, our glutes will engage. 1 more breath, and then exhale, will slowly release. So you can do reverse tabletop again, or maybe play around, extend the legs forward, pointing the toes, and then as you inhale, we'll press up. So same efforts, push down on the palms as the chest and the hips press up towards the ceiling. Again, glutes most likely strongly engaged. 1 more breath, and then exhale, we'll slowly release. And then from here, we'll come into a tabletop position. Okay. Now from tabletop, okay, let me just position myself. So from tabletop, okay, you'll go ahead, tuck the toes, and then press back up, push back, downward facing dog. Okay, any movement in down dog or choosing to be still. From here, you'll look forward, step 1 foot forward, followed by the other. Inhale, come up halfway. As you exhale, fold. Inhale, this time we'll bend the knees, reaching the arms up, we'll find chair pose. So I find in chair pose, it really works my butt muscles a lot aside from working the quads. So find that effort of reaching through the fingers, lengthening, maybe bending a little bit more if you like. Make sure you still see your toes, so shift your butt back. 1 more breath. From here, we'll bring the hands together, inhale. And then as you exhale, we're going to twist towards the right, hook the left elbow onto the right knee. Okay. Now from here, notice if your left knee is tracking forward, Can you keep them in line? One more breath. Exhale, fold. Maybe give the legs a shake just to release. Okay, next side, inhale, bend the knees. We'll find chair pose again. Okay, bringing the hands together, inhale. Exhale, we'll start to turn towards your left side. Maybe hook the right elbow onto the left knee and then twist any amount. So notice again, if right knee is tracking forward, can you align that back? One more breath. Exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll ground the palms. Okay, we'll step back to a plank. Maybe hold here for a breath to build strength. And then we'll lower down the knees to tabletop. Okay, from here, we'll also add hip mobility since we're working our glutes. Okay. So you'll bring your right knee in towards the chest. And then you'll start to open the right knee out to the side. And then from here, okay, with right knee bent, you'll start to point the right foot towards the ceiling. And then as if you want to kick the right leg up. And then do a few pulses. So we're working the right butt cheek. One more breath. And then from here, slowly bring the right knee in. Open it out to the side. The knee will point down as the foot will point up. And then do a few pulses. One more set. Inhale. Right knee in towards the chest. Open it out to the side. Let the knee point down as the foot points up. And then do a few pulses. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll release. Okay, left side. Inhale, lift the left knee up towards the chest. Open it out to the side. Let the knee point down as the foot points up. And then as if you want to kick the leg up. Hold here. And then we'll do a few pulses, working that left butt cheek. One more breath. And then we'll slowly, 2 more sets. Inhale, bringing the left knee in. Open it out to the side. Kicking it up, doing a few pulses. One more set. Inhale, knee in towards the chest. Exhale, open up. And then rotate at the hip so that you can pulse the leg up, kicking the leg up. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll slowly release. Maybe do a few shake at the hips. Okay. Come back to center. And then this time we'll go the opposite direction. Starting at the right leg, lift the right leg up, okay, bending at that knee. And then lift the right leg as high as you can or any amount. And then this time, okay, we'll start to open the knee out to the side. Bring the knee in towards the chest. Exhale, kick it back. Inhale, open up as you bring the knee in. Exhale, kick it back. Last one, inhale, maybe make it like a fluid motion as you kick back, and then exhale, release. Okay, left side, inhale, lift the left leg up, keeping that knee bent, hold here, and then from here, we'll slowly open out to the side as you bring the left knee in. We'll slowly kick it back as high as you can or any amount, bringing that knee in, and then slowly kicking it back. One more set as you rotate at the hip, bringing that knee in and then kicking it back, and then we'll slowly lower down. From here, we'll tuck the toes, pushing back up, downward facing dog. We'll stay here for a few cycles of breath. And then when you're ready, maybe playing around with jumping forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend the knees, reaching the arms up for chair pose, still working our glutes. One more breath. Remember, you should still see your toes if you look down, shifting the butt back. And then from here, standing up, finding Tadasana. Namaste. So I hope you felt that in your booty and your glute muscles really worked a lot today. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by John Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.